Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to adjust or change your store filters and preferences on Steam. First, open your Steam app and log in with your username and password. Once logged in, click on your profile name at the top right and select Store Preferences. Next, you can manage mature content by adjusting the sliders or checkboxes to show or hide age-appropriate content. You can also refine store content preferences to focus on the types of games or themes you're interested in. Scroll down to Community Content Preferences to control what user reviews, screenshots, and guides are visible to you. Then adjust your Discovery Queue preferences to get game recommendations tailored to your style. Additionally, set your primary platform to match your device, adjust Steam Deck preferences for optimized games, and manage broadcast settings to control who can see your streams or whose streams appear in your feed. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can personalize your Steam store and recommendations to match your gaming interests perfectly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.